I'm trying to look bougie for this New Year's Eve look, and I look like I'm naked with a fur coat on, but I promise I'm not. What's up, you guys? I'm Madeline. Thank you so much for being here to watch my video. I hope that you all had a very Merry Christmas and are ready to bring on this new year. So today I just wanted to cut to the chase. I already have so many tutorials up where you see how I apply my foundation, what foundations I wear, how I contour, how I do my brows, all of that good stuff. If you're interested, just check out my channel. So today I just wanted to focus on the eyes and the lips. So for this look, I really just want to do a smoky, glamorous, glittery, smoky eye. I think I want to do kind of like a cut crease too, and hopefully it will all turn out okay. We shall see. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So for this look, I will be using my blinged brushes, Starry Nights collection. I love these so much. They're so beautiful. The quality is outstanding. And for the eyeshadow, I will be using, once again, my Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1. I don't think I'll ever be able to get over this palette, you guys. It is so stunning. I really want to focus on these black shades over here. They look so beautiful. I feel like they scream New Year's Eve for some reason. So to begin, I'm taking the Matte Aura shade and my E17, and I'm just going to be patting this all over my lids to set them. With the Matte Soothe shade and my E11, I'm just going to be blending this shade into my creases. I'll also be smoking that shade underneath my eyes with my E16 brush. Now I'm just gonna go for it and dive into the Matte Memory shade here, and this is with my E13. So I'm just gonna be leaving it like that for now. Now I'm going to blend around the edges of this black shade, going in with the Matte Soothe shade once again, and my E12. Just lightly buffing this in. It's actually working out really well. I wasn't sure how that was going to go at first. Now I'm taking the Sequin Memory shade. This is on my E15, and I'm just going to pat this on the outer part of my eye. This is just going to intensify that black right where I want it to be. I'm also going to put a little bit of the Sequin Memory underneath my eyes. Just mainly on this outer part though. So now I'm going to cut my creases with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer and my BH Cosmetics 7 brush. So I'm just brushing some of the concealer onto the brush. So just like that. So this just cleans it up, smooths it out, and it's really going to make that glittery shade pop even more. So for the center of my eyes, I'm going to be patting the Metallic Memory shade with my E15. With my finger, I will be patting the Glitter Memory right into these cut creases. Oh, wow. OMG. I envisioned how I wanted this look to go, but this shade just like blew me away. It completely was the cherry on top. Whether you're a beginner with makeup or a makeup addict, you need to get this palette. Like if you are contemplating it, just do it because, oh my gosh, it just blows me away. I have not been disappointed by a single shade in this palette. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh. So for the final step of the eyeshadow, I'll be taking the Metallic Aura right there, and I'm popping this in my inner corners. So now I'll be doing a thin line of eyeliner on the upper part of my eye. I forgot to say this is with my Sephora Brush Tip Liquid Liner. Now for my waterline, I'll be using my ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in black. And I'm just going to do a quick coat of mascara with my tried and true L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. So I'm going dramatic with the false lashes too. I'm going to be using Lily Lashes in Miami. I'm also using my Lily Lashes Lash Glue. So I just brush a thin amount on the lash, just like that. Now we wait. Okay guys, so that is it for the eyes. Now we are moving on to lips. So I do want to do a nude lip with this look, of course. I did purchase the KAB or KAB Cosmetics lip kit. And this is in Sugar and Spice. So I want to give this a whirl today. I love what it says when you open it up. I'm all about that. Before I dive into that, I'm going to be prepping my lips with my EOS Champagne Pop Lip Balm. Oh, I love this. It really does smell like champagne. It's delicious. So Sugar and Spice is the name of all three of these lip products. So I'm first going in with the lip liner. So right off the bat, I will say that this is not a smooth consistency. It's very waxy, which doesn't create a smooth application, but the color is pretty. Now I'll take in their lipstick. I do not like the way this smells. I hate that I can smell it on my lips. Like, that's how strong it is. It might give me a headache. Honestly, I am not a big fan of the shade of this lipstick, so that sucks. It's way more pink than I'd prefer. I'm going in with something else. Okay, I am way too sensitive towards that smell. I don't think I could ever wear that on my lips again, you guys. It is so strong. It smells like spices and like fresh baked strong apple pie or something. It's just so, ooh. So anyways, redo. Let's go in with the Patrick Ta lip liner in She's Proud. Now for lipstick, I'm using the Too Faced Doll Face. I love this nude. Now this is the kind of nude that I was striving for. Now I'm gonna top this off with the Dose of Colors Can You Not lip gloss. Alright you guys, so that completes this tutorial. I'm gonna get this horrendous jacket off because I'm sweating. I'm honestly probably never gonna wear it again. I hope that you enjoyed how this look turned out. I am very, very happy with it. Have an amazing time celebrating the new year. Please be safe. Please do not drink and drive. Don't drive under the influence of anything. Be smart, be safe. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Bye! Dang it all. I wish I wore this sweater instead. This looks so much better. Let's just pretend like I wore the sweater the whole time, okay guys? I will see you guys next year. I love being corny. Bye!